How to find serial number of your PC or laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is a simple command that you will have to write as an administrator in your command prompt, and that will simply provide you the serial number or your build number of your laptop or PC. So that command is, first go to your start menu and then open command prompt. Make sure you run it as an administrator. Select yes. Now, this is the command. WMIC space BIOS space get and then hit serial number. Make sure you do not put a space between the serial number and then hit enter. After that, you will get your serial number of your PC or a laptop. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.